stuff like that. Okay. So let's get into your the meat and potatoes of this interview, and we're going to talk about the school, the GSMST, the #1 school in Georgia. Now, it sounds hard to get in that school. How did you even get in that school?
A lottery program.
A lottery program?
Yes.
So a lottery program is how you, so it wasn't about the grades. You don't have to have all A's and deals like that to get in that school.
No, you just have to be like in Gwinnett, like living in Gwinnett, and then you enter in the lottery program. If you're lucky enough, you get into GSMST, and afterwards there are a few requirements, but it's mainly just a lottery program.
And the few requirements, which are afterwards keeping up your grades and deals like that, or
there's like a PSAT score required, but you could also take a math test in order to like, get in. There's like certain PSAT scores, a certain test that you must take, but afterwards it's really simple to like get in, because the PSAT scores, it doesn't just rely on that. You could just take a test. If your PSAT score is low, you could take a test and you can get in.
Okay, so almost anybody can get into school.
Yes.
So parents who's interested in getting your kids into school, if you live in Georgia, you can sign up for the lottery program.
Gwinnett area.
In the Gwinnett area.
Yeah.
Oh, in the Gwinnett area, and hopefully get your child in the #1 school in Georgia.
Yes.
And that's what it is, the #1 school in Georgia?
Yes.
Okay, cool. That's cool. Okay, so what would you say the best thing about GSMST?
I would say I looked at the site, and there's like really a lot of APs. It gives you like a lot of chances at academic success. It's the #1 high school in Georgia, therefore there's a lot of APs. There's dual enrollment opportunities. There's a lot of just opportunities in general at the school.
So there's a lot of opportunities. Okay, that's good for your college career.
Yes.
To go on to the next level.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty good. What is the study life like at the school? I hear, it's a hard study life, and I hear rumors it's like crazy for studying. What is the study life like?
Well, I'm in 9th grade, and that's basically almost like the easiest year in GSMST. 10th grade, though, like you're taking like 4 or 5 APs in 1 year. And later on in 11th and 12th, you have dual enrollment and science fair and stuff like that. So I would say that study life is kind of hard once you like go on. However, study life right now in 9th grade is very simple.
Pretty simple, like compared to the other schools and your other, people you keep in contact with, middle school and the other schools, like.
In middle school, it's like you don't have to study at all.
Okay.
High school is really the first time that I've really ever like focused and studied.
Oh wow, so all these A's right here was nothing. All the A's, all these plaques I got in front of me, that was like simple, you just going with the wind. And
Kinda,
wow. And now this is, you really have to study at this school.
Yes, and in other high schools, it's I hear that they have to study too, but like not as much as us, because we also have homework on top of that, like a lot of homework.
You guys got a lot of homework at this school compared to the other schools and deals like that. And talk about that. I hear you guys have something called CAD. What is CAD?
AutoCAD.
AutoCAD.
Yes. Okay. AutoCAD is basically computer-aided design, and you could use it in order to make just different blueprints of different things.
Blueprints of different things. I actually saw that you had made a blueprint of like, what is it, an RV trailer?
Yes, yes.
Okay, cool. So what is the other CAD? Is AutoCAD, and what is the other one?
So another computer-aided design software is Onshape. It's basically where you can make 3D parts in like digital space, and we're working on that right now.
So you're working on that right now. So the one is AutoCAD and the other one is
Onshape.
Onshape. Everything in 9th grade using professional equipment to do this.
Yes.
And I'm on school in Georgia, man. So how's the teachers here? Like, any favorites yet, or you still going through the filling out process?
So the teachers are like divided. You could either really like have really nice teacher, really like regular teachers, or you could really have like really unfiltered teachers.